Serra Chevrolet is proud to recognize the hardworking people in the communities they serve with the Serra Chevrolet Community Awards. May's Athlete of the Month goes to Maggie DePorre from Marian High School. Maggie is a four-sport athlete. She plays soccer, she was on the bowling team, and is the head captain of her track and volleyball team.
I do play a lot of sports. I am seen a lot in the Marion community as an athlete, and everybody kind of knows me as the athletic girl. So that's really cool.
Maggie is a star on the track. She recently ran for 2 relays that qualified for states this year. And although her track coach is convinced running should be her future, Maggie has decided to pursue volleyball.
My favorite sport is volleyball. I'm going to be playing volleyball at Hillsdale College next year. I'm really excited for that. I'm looking most forward to working with girls who are just as competitive as I am and just taking the sport to the next level, you know?
Maggie, on behalf of Serra Chevrolet, I'd like to present to you the Student Athlete of the Month Award. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.